12th Science, Subject Mathematics and Statistics, Part 1, Chapter number 6, Line and Plane. Dear students, we are going to study the equation of the plane. The vector equation of the plane passing through the point A vector and parallel to B vector and C vector. Your theorem. The vector equation of the plane passing through the point A vector and parallel to non-zero and non-parallel vectors B vector and C vector is R vector minus A vector dot B vector cross C vector equal to 0. We have to show that the equation of plane passing through the point and parallel to non-parallel vectors B vector and C vector is. Here we have to, this is plane. Plane passing through the point A equal to A vector. And plane have two vectors B vector and C vector. Both are non-parallel vectors. But these vectors lie on the plane. Therefore, these two vectors are parallel to plane. Suppose PR vector be any point in the plane. Join segment AP. Then AP vector. Suppose we take B vector cross C vector is perpendicular to plane. Also AP perpendicular to B vector cross C vector. Then their dot product is 0. We use this result and prove the theorem. Prove as vector B vector and C vector are parallel to the plane. These two vectors are on the plane. Therefore, these vectors are parallel to plane. Vector B vector cross C vector is normal to the plane. We know that cross product of these two vectors are perpendicular. These two vectors are on the plane, therefore B vector cross C vector is perpendicular to the plane. Perpendicular to the plane is called normal to the plane. Plane passes through A vector. Here plane passes through the point A vector. Let PR be any point on the plane. PR be any point on the plane. Suppose join segment AB. Therefore, AP vector is perpendicular to B vector cross C vector. Here is AP vector is on the plane and B vector cross C vector is perpendicular to plane. Therefore, both are perpendicular. Therefore, AP vector dot B vector cross C vector equal to 0. Hence, AP vector equal to R vector minus A vector dot B vector cross C vector equal to 0. Then R vector dot B vector cross C vector equal to, here is minus A vector. Take on RHS, we get A vector dot B vector cross C vector. This is the required equation. Passing through the point A vector and parallel to the vectors B vector and C vector. Remark. As AP vector, B vector and C vector are parallel to the same plane. There is AP vector, B vector, C vector lie on the plane. Yes, they are parallel to plane. Therefore, they are coplanar vectors. Therefore, AP vector can be expressed as linear combination of B vector and C vector. Therefore, AP vector equal to lambda B vector plus mu C vector for some scalars lambda and mu. Here we know that AP vector, its position vectors are R vector, A vector. Therefore, we write R vector minus A vector equal to lambda B vector plus mu C vector. Minus A vector, take on RHS, we get R vector equal to A vector plus lambda B vector plus mu C vector. This equation is called the vector equation of a plane in parametric form. Examples. Example number 8. Find the vector equation of the plane passing through the point a minus 1, 2, minus 5 and parallel to the vectors 4i minus j plus 3k and I vector plus j plus minus k. Here we have to given the plane passing through the point, that is a vector, small a vector minus I vector plus 2j minus 5k and parallel to vectors. Suppose this vector is b vector and this vector is c vector. They are on the plane. Their cross product b vector cross c vector is perpendicular to the plane. We know that the equation of the plane passing through the point and parallel to the vectors b vector and c vector is r vector dot b vector cross c vector equal to a vector dot b vector cross c vector. Using this formula, find the vector equation of the plane. Solution. The vector equation of the plane passing through the point A vector and parallel to B vector and C vector, these parallel vectors B vector, C vector is, formula is R vector dot B vector cross C vector equal to A vector dot B vector cross C vector. Here A vector is minus I vector plus 2j minus 5k. Suppose B vector 4i minus j plus 3k. C vector I plus j minus k. We have to find B vector cross C vector equal to first row ijk. Then coefficient of B vector is 4 minus 1 3. Also the coefficient of C vector 1 1 minus 1. Then simplify. Here is I. Take cross multiplication 1 minus 3, that is minus 2 into I vector. Take minus j, then cross multiplication minus 4 into minus 3, that is minus 7 into j is plus 7j. Plus k vector equal to 4, here is minus minus plus 1, 4 plus 1 5 into k vector. Therefore b vector cross c vector equal to minus 2i plus 7j plus 5k. We have to find a vector dot b vector cross c vector. We know that a vector is minus I plus 2j minus 5k dot b vector cross c vector is minus 2i plus 7j plus 5k. Then here is minus 1 into minus 2, that is plus 2. Plus 2 into 7 is 40. Plus minus 5 into plus 5 is minus 25. Simplifying, we get minus 9. Therefore, the required equation is r vector dot. Here is b vector cross c vector is minus 2i plus 7j plus 5k equal to value of a vector dot b vector cross c vector is minus 9 equal to minus 9. Hence, the required equation is r vector dot minus 2i plus 7j plus 5k equal to minus 9. Example number 9. Find the vector equation of a plane passing through the point a minus 2 7 5 and parallel to the vectors 4i minus j plus 3k and I plus j plus k. We use similar formula. It is passing through the point and parallel to vectors b vector cross c vector. Formula is r vector dot b vector cross c vector equal to a vector dot b vector cross c vector. Solution. The vector equation of the plane passing through the point A vector and parallel to the vectors B vector and C vector is R vector dot B vector cross C vector equal to A vector dot B vector cross C vector. We use this formula. Here is passing through the point A minus 2 7 5. Therefore its position vector small a vector equal to minus 2i plus 7j plus 5k. Given parallel vectors. Suppose first vector is b vector equal to 4i minus j plus 3k and second vector c vector equal to I plus j plus k vector. We have to find cross product. Here is b vector cross c vector equal to determinant. First row ijk, second is 4 minus 1 3. Third coefficient of c vector is 1 1 1. Simplify. Here is I. Cross multiplication minus 1, here is minus 3 into I minus j. row column delete, multiply 4 into 1 is 4 minus 3 plus in k vector, then row column delete, here is 4 minus minus plus 1, 4 plus 1 into k vector, minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 into I minus 4i. 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 into j, here is minus sign minus j, plus 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 into k vector. Therefore, A vector dot B vector cross C vector. Here is A vector is minus 2i plus 7j plus 5k. B vector cross C vector is minus 4i minus j plus 5k. Therefore, the dot product is equal to minus 2 into minus 4 plus 7 into minus 1 plus 5 into 5 minus 2 into minus 4 plus 8 7 into minus 1 minus 7 5 into 5 25 8 minus 7 is 1 plus 25 equal to 26. We get the value of A vector dot B vector cross C vector. Therefore, put the values in this formula. From equation 1, the vector equation of the required plane is here is R vector dot. Value of B vector cross C vector is minus 4i minus j plus 5k equal to. Here is value of A vector dot B vector cross C vector equal to 26. Hence the required plane is R vector dot minus 4i minus j plus 5k equal to 26. Find the Cartesian equation of the plane. R vector equal to I minus j plus lambda into I plus j plus k plus mu I minus 2j plus 3k. We have to find the Cartesian equation of the plane. Solution. Given plane is perpendicular to the vector n vector, where we know that here is the vector b vector, this vector is c vector. Formula is r vector equal to a vector plus lambda b vector plus mu c vector. B and c are parallel vectors to the plane. Take their cross product, then we get the perpendicular vector, that is n vector, which is the normal to the plane. Hence n vector equal to b vector cross c vector equal to, first row is ijk, then coefficient of b vector is 1 1 1, then coefficient of ijk in c vector is 1 minus 2 3 equal to, simplify, I vector equal to 3. Here is minus minus plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5 into I, that is 5i. Minus j vector. Row column delete. Here is cross multiplication 3 minus 1, that is 2. 2 into minus j, that is minus 2j. Plus k vector equal to k vector into minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3 into k, that is minus 3k vector. The direction ratios of the normal are 5 minus 2 minus 3. Here is the direction ratios of the normal. The vector, the Cartesian equation is in the form r vector equal to a vector plus lambda b vector plus mu c vector. Here is a vector, means this plane is passing through the point. We have to given its position vector is I vector minus j vector. Therefore, the point is a 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1. Here is k is term of k is absent, therefore we take 0. Hence plane passes through the point a 1 minus 1 0. We know that the Cartesian equation of the plane is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equal to 0. A, B, C are direction ratios of the normal. We get direction ratios of the normal. A is 5, B is minus 2, C is minus 3. The plane passing through the point x1, y1, z1. Hence x1 is 1, y1 is minus 1, z1 is 0. Putting this value we get 5 into x minus 1, minus 2 into y plus 1, minus 3 into z minus 0 equal to 0. Here is 5x minus 5, minus 2y minus 2, minus 3z equal to 0. Simplifying we get 5x minus 2y minus 3z minus 7 equal to 0. Example number 11. Find the Cartesian equation of the plane. r vector equal to 5i minus 2j minus 3k plus lambda into I plus j plus k plus mu into I minus 2j plus 3k. We have to find a Cartesian equation. Find this equation by also another method. The given equation of the plane in the form r vector equal to a vector plus lambda into b vector plus mu into c vector. Hence plane passing through the point 5 minus 2 minus 3 and given parallel vector here is b vector and c vector. Solution. The equation r vector equal to a vector plus lambda b vector plus mu c vector represents a plane passing through the point, having position vector a vector and parallel to vectors b vector and c vector. Here is plane passing through the point and parallel to vector b vector and c vector. Hence a vector equal to minus 5i minus 2j minus 3k. Also b vector equal to I plus j plus k and c vector equal to I minus 2j plus 3k. Therefore, b vector cross c vector equal to, here is first row ijk determinant. Second row coefficient of b vector is 1 1 1. Third row coefficient of ijk in c vector is 1 minus 2 3. Simplifying we get I vector. Here is cross multiply 3 minus minus plus 2, that is 3 plus 2 into I minus here is j. Then 1 into 3 minus 1, that is 3 minus 1 plus k vector equal to minus 2 into minus 1 into k vector. 3 plus 2 5 into I, that is 5i. 3 minus 1, that is 2 minus 2 into j is minus 2j. Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 into k vector equal to, here is a vector. Here the normal vector b vector cross c vector is normal vector. We find the value is 5i vector minus 2j minus 3k is same as the point on the plane, that is 5i minus 2j minus 3k. Also we find a vector dot b vector cross c vector. In vector form we know that the equation of the plane is r vector dot b vector cross c vector equal to a vector dot b vector cross c vector. We find the term in RHS, that is a vector dot b vector cross c vector. A vector. We find b cross c vector is equal to the a vector. Therefore, is equal to magnitude of a square. Hence, 5 square plus minus 2 square is minus 3 square. 25 plus 4 plus 9 equal to 38. Therefore, the vector equation of the plane passing through the point A vector and parallel to vector B vector and C vector is R vector dot B vector cross C vector equal to A vector dot B vector cross C vector. First find we the equation of the plane in vector form, then convert into Cartesian form. The vector equation of the plane is r vector dot value of b vector dot cross c vector is 5i minus 2j minus 3k equal to a vector dot b vector cross c vector. We get this value is 38. Therefore, the vector equation of the plane is, convert this equation into the Cartesian form. If r vector equal to xi vector plus yj vector plus zk vector, then the equation becomes, put the value of r vector. Here is xi plus yj plus zk dot 5i minus 2j minus 3k equal to 38. We take the dot product. 5 into x 5x minus 2 into y minus 2y minus 3 into z minus 3z equal to 38. This is the Cartesian equation of the required plane. Thank you.